Hello, and welcome to our William Beaumont Army Medical Center Pharmacy. My name is Sergeant Brown. Today I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps on how to use our ScriptCenter kiosk. The kiosk increases convenience and access to your refill prescriptions from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Sunday, and no need to pull a pharmacy ticket. There are a few simple steps to help you get started. Step 1. When calling in refills by phone, select the option for Freedom Crossing ScriptCenter. Please note that the refrigerated items and controlled substances are not eligible for ScriptCenter kiosk. You should continue to request your refrigerated items and controlled substance refills to be dispensed at one of our pharmacies. Step 2. To set up an account for the first time, you must have an active prescription number with you. You will only need an active prescription number one time. Step 3. Press the Enroll option on the kiosk. The kiosk will prompt you to enter a prescription number starting with the first letter. You will then create a user ID and 4-digit password. You also have the option to set up your military ID or fingerprint authentication. Once your account is set up, you will use your username and 4-digit password, military ID, or fingerprint authentication for future prescription pickups. You will verify and sign for your prescriptions electronically. The kiosk will light up your locker, indicating that it is ready to open. Open it, remove your bag, and close the locker. It's that easy. If you would like assistance setting up your account, the pharmacy team will be happy to assist. Just come in during regular business hours and we will help you get set up. The William Beaumont Pharmacy is proud to provide high quality, compassionate, and safe patient care.